This bacon, egg, and cheese wrap is not only easy, but it is so delicious, and you guys, it's keto. Now, this is what you're gonna need to make it. You're gonna need a keto flatbread along with some cheese, egg, and some bacon. So let's start with cutting a slit from the middle of this flatbread down to the bottom. And you do this so that you'll be able to fold it after you put in all the ingredients. So what we're going to do is we're going to visualize this in sections of 4, and each section is going to have one of the ingredients. So we're going to start with the bacon, followed by this fried egg, then some cheese, and lastly, the final piece of bacon in section 4. Now at this point, you guys, you just fold it up until you end up with a triangle. And each one of these sections is going to have one of the ingredients. And that's what it looks like. Now at this point, you want to put some butter into a heated skillet, and we are going to toast this wrap. Okay, put it in, and we're going to press it down with the spatula. And remember, you guys, to give this video a thumbs up, please do share, and please do press that subscribe button if you've not yet done so. Now this side is toasted to my liking, and you flip it over and then you toast the other side. And please do add more butter if needed. And about 2 minutes later, you guys, you have this delicious bacon, egg, and cheese wrap. Doesn't that look delicious? And there's nothing left to do but to sit back and enjoy. So easy, so delicious, and it's oh so keto. Enjoy, you guys.